I'm Mrs. Rachel Manga, the senior principal, Manga Girls High School. Our school enrollment is 900 students, 5 streams. Teacher Service Commission, teachers employed by TSC, 16 teachers, and those employed by the Board of Management, 14 teachers, total of 30 teachers. Our school started in 1975 by the missionaries from Canada. And since then, the school has been growing, has grown tremendously, and both in performance and infrastructure. Our school motto is determined to excel, and our school vision is a preferred school in the region that is always committed to holistic excellence. Our mission is to mold competitively superior girls academically, socially, and morally, sound to effectively participate in the development of our nation. Our school has been doing very well in the academic side, and for the last 3 years, we have taken over 70% students to university consecutively, and the school participates in all co-curricular activities like sports, drama, music, and ball matches. We also participate in scouts, and our school recently participated in in Kisumu during CS Eliud Owalo basketball tournament, and we did very well. And our school generally, we have a very strong, determined students and teachers, and we are working very hard to ensure that the school excels in the county and nationally.
My name is Blessing Auma, and I study at Manga Girls High School. And when I grow up, I would like to be a journalist. The reason why I love Manga Girls is that apart from curriculum activities, we participate in various activities such as sport, drama, and music, which help us to be holistic individuals in our society.
At Manga Girls, we have a well-equipped science lab, which helps us in training in different science courses with the help of our capable science teachers and our good lab technician.
Our catchment area is from all over Kenya, from Mombasa, Kisumu, Siaya, and also from the local community. Personally, as a principal, I've been a principal for 27 years, and I've done exceptionally well. And last year, I was awarded Presidential Award, the Order of Grand Warrior. And I was also recognized by Teacher Service Commission recently during the World Teachers Day. Although I'm about to retire, but I know I will retire very strong, and I will leave the school very successful. Otherwise, I'm so grateful, and we promise that we are going to do exceptionally well.
Well, my name is David Ombagi, Chairman, Board of Management, Manga Girls. Manga Girls is a mission school, Pentecostal Assemblies of God. And as a mission school, as a board, we're out to make sure that our girls are fully well taken care of on spiritual matters. We have cases of needy students, and as a board, we have a program that, as Madam put it earlier, we pay some portion of school fees towards those needy cases among our school fraternity as such. It is ours as a board to make sure, and more so as a Christian faith, to make sure that our girls are well catered for, well taught, well trained, such that when they leave here, they live as well-equipped Kenyans, ready to serve for our country in all aspects, having gone through this faith-based school. We're happy with the teaching staff. They're committed a lot. under Principal Rachel. And as management, we have supported them fully to make sure that they give us, as teachers, they give us good results as expected by us altogether. I confirm that for the past 3 years, Manga Girls has done quite well, and a number of our students, over 70% of those that have gone through exams, have made it to university. So generally, we're proud of the school ongoings. We even expect it to rise higher, even to become national school, because it has what it takes to become national.
My name is Agnes Abokezowor. I love the fact that Manga Girls offers scholarship to the students who are unable to provide the school fees. Actually, this year, the Manga Girls have been given scholarship to the students, a lot of students who are unable to pay the school fees.
Our school mainly attracts needy students from all over Kenya, bright and needy, and we source for scholarship. For example, we have friends from the US who are sponsoring quite a number of needy girls through the top talent agencies, and some of them are full scholarship, which is supporting them tuition, even personal effects and uniforms. We also have those who are sponsored by the government, the Ministry of Education bursary, the county bursary, the constituency bursary, and also the Jomo Kenyatta Foundation, and many other sponsors who come in handy to support these needy students so that they don't drop out of school. Even the school through the Board of Management, we have identified very bright and needy students, and they pay partial scholarship, they pay partial school fees. For example, Bogalu is very bright and very humble background. They pay 25,000 instead of 40,000, which is almost school fees for all schools.
My name is Nasrin Rufaida. I'm from Manga Girls in the courtesy of Top Talent Agency, which is sponsored by David Fagan and other scholars, donors in the America. In future, I want to become a journalist because this school has really helped me in nurturing my talent because I'm an active journalism club member. Also, the scholarship has really helped my parents to be removed the burden of having stress on how I'm going to pay my school fees.
My name is Terian Damaris. I'm from Kericho. I learn in Manga Girls High School. I'm sponsored by Billy Bates Foundation. It has helped my parents so much in reducing the burden of paying school fees. I'm focused in my studies, knowing that my parents are not having any problem at home. When I finish my Form 4, I hope God to bless me and achieve my career. Then I'll help the society as it has helped me in my studies.
My name is Prudence Gate. I come from Kericho. I study at Manga Girls, and I'm being sponsored by Billy's Foundation. And I really thank them because my parents are not struggling about my school fees, and I'm just focusing on my studies. And I know Manga Girls will help me to achieve my dream of becoming a doctor. And when I grow up, when God bless me, I will help the society and those who need.
My name is Neema Zingo Safari. I'm from Mombasa. I learn in Manga Girls. I am sponsored by Manga Girls Partial Scholarship. It has really helped my parents pay school fees. When I grow up, I would like to be a doctor because the subject that I like mostly is biology and mathematics. By the help of Manga Girls Partial Scholarship, it has reduced the school fees that my parents pay in school. I will become a role model for the Manga Girls Partial Scholarship because when I succeed to become a doctor, I will help the needy to pay school fees as how they have helped me.
My name is Celestine Siocha. I come from Form 2 Purple. I like Manga Girls because here in Manga Girls, morning we take tea with milk.
My name is Shaniza Nyango. I love Manga Girls because of the Christian Union. Every day we congregate at 4 p.m. to pray. This is because prayer helps us a lot. It is a very good weapon in passing our exams.
My name is Nom Kerubo. I'm in Form 2 Blue, and I love Manga Girls because we have many games, and I participate in netball, and it's so fun and it keeps us physical fit.
Na barabara katika kipindi chetu cha Manga Girls TV, nikiripotia kutoka kaunti ya Nyamira. Langu jina ni Agnes Owuor. Ungana nami hadi tamati. Asanteni. Napenda Manga Girls kwa sababu mie mwenyewe niko katika journalism club ambayo inanisaidia pia katika masomo. Niko kidato cha 4 manjano na ningependa kuwa mwanahabari.
I'm Agola Monica Tamara. I'm in Form 3 Green. I love scouting because in scouting we have many activities that are taking place. One of them are cleaning the school environment. Another one is the first aider. Yeah, thank you.
My name is Mair Mora. I'm in Form 3G. I like Manga Girls due to the capable teachers which are provided by the government and the school board management. The teachers are hardworking, supportive, and friendly. So they are always available when you need consultation. Our teachers love us and give us support so that we may pursue our goals and dreams. Thank you.
It's a very nice afternoon, noble people. My name is Shiro Nyambeki. Our hashtag for today is Monday Live. Monday Live begins right now. Our SMS line is 229072. My name is Shiro Nyambeki. I like Manga Girls because it has a lot of clubs. One of them is Journalism Club. Personally, I'm in Journalism Club. I like Journalism Club because in future I want to be a news anchor. Thank you.